There we go. See, it's
Okay.
recording.
Okay.
Okay. And this is the left barrel.
Do you want this or do you want you?
Oh, this actually me. We'll gauge the kind afterwards.
Well, I gotta get a little. Oh no, wait. I can zoom in. Or no, I can zoom out. Yeah. Oh, that's it. That's max.
All right. Ready? You might want to be back here. Okay.
Shall we go see the damage done? Sounds just like in the old-time movies.
Uh-huh.
Kabang! Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Oh, that's quite a pattern.
Not bad. Not bad. Considering I'm not used to shooting with a front bead sight.
There they are.
No rear sights.
Yeah, there they all are.
Yep. Not too bad. One shot?
No.
Okay. Guess we got enough balls for one more load, so.
Well, do it. No. You do it. It's your toy, and new to you, so you go.
New to both of us.
Yeah.